subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us goodness. There was one joke that I wanted to share with you on anger. And I thought it was very hilarious. So I said, you know, many times people do not relate scholars of Islam with jokes. But I think our generation, Sheikh, it's important. You see, there was a man, and this is showing you the irritation of lies and falsehood. The irritation of lies and falsehood. There was a man sitting on a train. Now the train was a double-decker train, a sleeper train. So he's at the top, and 3 ladies walked in. Old ladies. They walked in and they sat. So he's at the top, and they're down there. And he's hearing the discussion, sitting. They're asking each other questions. And suddenly one says, how old are you? Now she looked 65. She says, I'm 30. And this man was so irritated, so irritated, so irritated. So now the other 2 knew that this was sarcasm. You know, she was being silly. They were also very old, probably a little bit younger than her. So she says, and how old are you? Now, instead of saying I'm 55, she says, well, I'm 25. So she says, oh, and this man is now even more irritated. And so they asked the youngest one, and what about you? She says, I'm 15. That was it. The man drops down. When he dropped down, they said, hey, what's happening? He says, I'm just born. Allahu Akbar. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us goodness. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant us goodness. Really, I thought it was hilarious, something to take back, inshallah. And I hope and I pray that we've all, you know, learned something from this evening. I definitely have.